Making decisions. The essence of fish or cut bait. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a particularly intriguing expression, fish or cut bait. This phrase is all about making decisions and taking action, and it's packed with history and cultural significance. So, let's reel in the meaning together and understand how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, fish or cut bait, is an American idiom that essentially means to make a decision and take action. It's used when someone is faced with a situation where they must choose to either proceed with a task or step aside and let others take over. The origin of this expression comes from fishing terminology, where fishing means to actively try to catch fish, and cutting bait refers to preparing the bait for fishing. The idiom captures the moment of choice between continuing the attempt to catch fish or doing the preparatory work instead. Historically, this phrase dates back to the 19th century in the United States, where it was used in the context of fishing communities. It highlighted the need for efficiency and decisiveness in fishing activities. Over time, fish or cut bait has transcended its literal fishing origins to become a metaphor for decisiveness in various aspects of life and work. It embodies the spirit of taking action rather than stalling or hesitating. In modern usage, you can apply fish or cut bait in any scenario that requires a clear decision or action. Here are a few examples. In a business meeting, if a team is deliberating over a decision for too long, someone might say, "We need to fish or cut bait," urging the team to make a decision. When someone is contemplating ending a relationship but can't decide, a friend might advise them to fish or cut bait to encourage them to make a choice. In personal goal setting, if you're hesitating to start a new project or hobby, reminding yourself to fish or cut bait can push you to either begin actively working on it or decide against it and move on. Fish or cut bait is more than just an idiom, it's a call to action. It reminds us of the importance of decisiveness and the power of making choices. Whether in personal life, business, or relationships, knowing when to fish, take action, and when to cut bait, step back or let go, is crucial. We hope this exploration helps you harness the spirit of this phrase in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.